When creating orders for your customers, you can choose from several options. Here's how to handle different booking scenarios with ease. Let's start by finding an available product on a specific date. Our example is Laura, who needs a dress for a wedding on March 15th. First, we select the date and rental duration, then check which dresses are available for that period. We choose the purple dress, enter the customer details, select the payment method, and voila, the booking is complete. Next, we'll book a specific product for a chosen duration. Our example is Brenda, who wants to book the red dress in size small for any 4 days in March. We select the duration and product, then check the calendar for available dates. Some days are already fully booked, but once we've picked free dates, we proceed to enter customer and payment details and finalize the order. Finally, let's create a custom order for a unique duration and price. In this example, Riley wants to book a dress for 2 weeks, even though we only have predefined a maximum rental of 1 week for $150. We pick the dress and manually choose a return date. Twice attempts to calculate the price automatically, doubling it for 2 weeks based on the 1 week rate. Since we're giving Riley a discount, we can manually adjust the price further during checkout.